Yes, it looks mighty wintry out there in the valley, but temperature-wise, hey, not too bad. Look at the thermometer on your car as you're coming home tonight. You saw 20s across the valley, and in fact, some of those 20s were in the mid and upper 20s. Here's a look then at what we have going on for temperatures now. 24 in Fargo, feels like 11 because our winds are gusting to 26 miles per hour. Moorhead right now, not bad, 27. It doesn't feel that warm, though. It's a little wind chilly. And if you get south into Traverse County, Roberts County, South Dakota, well, there is, near Rothsay, a band of some snow making its way to the north and east. Now, that's pushing into Traverse and Wilkin counties. It'll be into southern and western Otter Tail County here as well. The I-29 corridor between here and St. Cloud seeing a few dashes of snow. This is not heavy. It's not impossible to travel through, but give yourself some extra time because, as we reported, there are some slippery roads already across Minnesota. This does go all the way down into southern Minnesota. For our western counties, quiet but cooler. We have teens out to the west for Jamestown, for Devils Lake, and for Valley City. 20s from the Red River Valley and points east. In fact, mid-20s for some. But the cold air poised to the north and to the east. One exiting cold air mass out of Wapiskat, 18 below there. How about Calgary at 15 below? This pool of cool is heading our way. It's going to bring some growing pains, some snow. Now, there's a shot of snow moving through tonight. The clouds associated with that keeping us milder. So this evening and overnight, our eastern half of the viewing area from the Red River and east will be milder. Out to the west, we'll see some clearing skies. A few of you will push down to sub-zero as we go through the overnight near Rolla, Rock Lake, Candu, and possibly even Maddock as well as Harvey at 6 below to start your day. So cold west, milder east. But all of us will see steady to falling temperatures, particularly out to the east. Your temperatures will likely fall throughout the day. A mix of sun and clouds there as we go through your Tuesday. It looks dry. Our wind will be northwesterly at 5 to 15 miles per hour. We'll all cool off. Late day clouds moving in, but no snow for a Wednesday evening. That changes overnight. Measurable snow. More on that in one moment. Let's highlight your planning forecast for your hometown tomorrow afternoon on your way home from work and school. Devils Lake, 4 below, 1 above in Jamestown. We'll be holding on to near 10 degrees in many of our Minnesota counties, but enjoy those because temperatures are on their way down to sub-zero. Now let's talk about that Wednesday snow because it'll be enough to be measurable. Here are the factors with this system as it works its way in. Widespread snow. I think there'll be a more sharp cutoff than we're seeing here on this particular model. Grand Forks out to Devils Lake, I'm not certain that you'll see a lot of snow, but there is more confidence down south that we'll have some significant snow potential. Look at these air temperatures with this snow. It's going to be that cold, fluffy stuff, so it's going to build up quickly. So as far as it goes, it starts first thing in the morning. You'll be driving through it in the morning drive, but by the midday hour and into the afternoon, it should be exiting, replaced with a gusty northwest wind that will blow that fluffy snow all over the place. So we'll have reduced visibilities. We'll have slippery travel conditions. Up north, I'm thinking a trace to maybe 2 inches near Grand Forks. Widespread, 2 to 5 inches. And some, particularly in Minnesota, the way it looks now, 3 to 6 plus inches of heavy snow, not wet, heavy, fluffy, flaky, and flying flakes across the valley. All right, taking a look at a gorgeous shot sent in by Sherry, a winter scene indeed with a trail from an aircraft across our skies. Now, taking a look at your planning forecast. Because of the snow and clouds, we won't be bitter cold on Wednesday, but it won't be too hot either. We'll have that 3 to 6 inches in Fargo, points east, a little heavier than that. So we look at Thursday, though, 21 below makes it hard for Hutch to talk. 5 below all day. So we stay sub-zero for a day and a half out there. Then we have a chance to warm up a bit on Friday. But that comes with more flakes, particularly on the Minnesota side of the river, Mike. It looks like more significant snowfall there. We'll keep you posted as we go through the weekend and into a holiday weekend for many. Martin Luther King Day looks chilly with 8 below in the morning and a high near 0.
Dress properly. That's the best advice.
That's what we can do.
All right. Thanks.
Yes.